Hello guys, welcome back to Everything You Need to Know. So today we're going to be unboxing MacBook Air M2 chip. Let's get started. So this is the 8 gig unified memory with 256 gigs of SSD. So now let's unbox this. So what do we have in the box? Let's see. So we have our cable. So this time it's not a USB-C. It's the MagSafe. And then this, some paperwork and all. We have our brick over here. So look at this. Yep, so over here we have our headphone jack, 2 USB-C ports, and then 1 MagSafe for the charger. And then let's open it up. So as you can see, we have our fingerprint scanner over here, the backlit keyboard, and yep. Okay, so we just set it up the Wi-Fi. We can skip this for now. Apple ID. I'll set it up later. And as you can see, the MacBook Air, it has like a notch. Yep, and another thing that I noticed is like the MacBook Air M1, it says MacBook Air, but the new one doesn't say that anymore. Okay. I'm gonna skip Siri. And then there has the Touch ID over here. I'm gonna do auto mode. Okay. And then now another thing is that it doesn't have the speakers on the side anymore. The speakers are like between here. So now let's compare the MacBook Air M1 with the MacBook Air M2. So here we have the MacBook Air M1, and over here we have the MacBook Air M2. So as you can see, the bezels are much thinner on the M2. I like that, and then the notch on the top. Another thing that I noticed is the keyboard is a bit bigger. As you can see, the fingerprint on the M1 is way smaller, and then on the M2 it's the size of the other keys. So the speakers are located right here. And now let's do an audio test. Okay, that was the M1. Now let's check the M2. I don't know if you can tell that much of a difference. So the main difference between my old M1 versus the new M2 is that the old one had an 8-core CPU and a 7-core GPU, whereas the new one has an 8-core CPU and an 8-core GPU. And another difference was that the M2 has a 13.6-inch screen, where the M1 had a 13-inch screen, and this is because of the notch and all. Yep, and besides that, the charger changed to a MagSafe, whereas the old one had a USB-C. Yep, and if you like the video, please give it a like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to share. Thank you.